This time, I decided to use a counterclockwise edition. Now, remember, counterclockwise is, when you're on a clock, but instead of going this way, you're going backwards. So these are my rules. So usually it says when it's clockwise, you change your X first. No, we're going to change our Y first. Still, when you get to 180 degrees, you have your X and your Y because that's a half turn, but both signs change. And when we get to our third turn or 207 degrees, your Y and your X flip, but this time you change the X, and when you get to your fourth and final turn, that's where you start at. So that's where you started at. So in this example right here, I put fourth because that's where I started. So because I went backwards from a negative positive into a negative negative. So look, my first turn was to change the sign on the Y. So, yes, I did change the sign on the Y, which becomes -8. And my 7 was already negative, so that still stays negative. However, when I get to my second turn, you're back halfway there, so you have X and Y. So here's the kicker. You change the sign on both. However, because I'm turning into a positive negative quadrant, you only really have to worry about changing 7 though, to be exact. So now you have the third turn or 207 degrees. Look, I'm in a positive quadrant. So right here, it does flip. So you have 8 7. So once you hit that turn right here, it's like you're going backwards. You're right here at 8 7. And then once you hit that turn, you're back where you started at -7 8. Yes, the rules do help, but also what even helps you better is how you do it on your coordinate plane. That's why I encourage y'all to remember this. Because remember, as long as you remember your coordinate plane, you will do fine. Thank you.